In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Roblox closes instantly after launching. If Roblox is closing instantly after launching on your tablet, here's some troubleshooting steps you can try. First thing you can do is to check Roblox server status. Sometimes the issue is on Roblox end. You can check it on their server status website. See if there are any outages. The second thing you can do is to clear app cache. So to do that, go ahead and long press on the Roblox application on your device and click on app info. Now on this section, what you'll need to do is to click on that storage tab, and under that you'll be able to find the current cache spent by the app. So simply click on that clear data button and click on that clear cache button to confirm clearing your app cache. Now another thing that you can do is to update Roblox. So make sure you're using the latest version of the app. So to be able to check, you can go ahead and open the Play Store and check if there are any updates for Roblox. The next thing you can do is to reinstall Roblox. Uninstall the app and restart your tablet, and then reinstall Roblox from the App Store. And the last option that you need to check would be to check storage space. If your tablet is low on storage, it might cause apps to crash. So free up some space if needed. And that's basically how you can fix Roblox closes instantly after launching. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.